The video details guide rail installation and disassembly. First, splice the dummy rail on the slider with the actual rail. Slide the slider into the dummy rail from one end and push it to the actual rail, during which you can feel the smoothness with a small force on the paper. The slider can move quickly and smoothly. Next, disassemble the ball screw kit. Put the plastic dummy rail at the actual rail's extension, and slowly push the slider till they integrate, making sure the balls inside don't fall out.